Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be testing out this palette. So this palette was sent to me in PR by W7 Makeup and I'm obsessed with their palettes at the moment. As you know, I'm such a Revolution person, but I want to give this a try because it looks gorgeous. So I hope you guys are well and having a lovely day, and let's get into this palette. So this palette is called the W7 Socialite palette and it is just adorable. I love it. I love the packaging. It is cute. So this palette has got 18 shades, and when you open it, as you can see, it's very Huda Beauty vibes, which is just, I'm mind blown. It's such a pretty palette. So I'm going to swatch all of these colours for you guys, and we are going to have a little look at how these colours swatch and how they perform. Okay, so here are the shimmers. Really gorgeous. I love. So here are the shimmers. As you can see, they swatch very nicely. There are two pressed glitters in here, which I don't get on with pressed glitters, but these shimmers are absolutely stunning. So I'm really impressed with them so far. Okay, so here are the mattes. They're all very similar kind of shades, very similar colours, but again they swatch really nice. I really love how they look, and I'm very excited to test them out and see how they perform. Okay, so I forgot to mention that in this palette you actually get a colour here which is more of a concealer colour, and basically it is probably like, it's just basically an eye base. So I'm gonna straight away pop that on and see how that feels on the eyes. Yeah, that feels really nice. This is definitely, I feel like this is a very good thing to add into a palette like this, because you know, it's important to kind of get that base first. I have primed my eyes with concealer, so hopefully we shall get a good look out of this. So it actually has a brush in the palette as well, so we are going to test the brush out today, if I can get it out. Okay, so I really love these kind of brushes because you've got a nice fluffy blending brush, and then you've got that lovely flat end brush as well. So let's go in with a nice neutral colour to start off with. So I'm going to go in with the colour called Worldly. Wow, there's a lot of powder on that, but let's just see how... Ooh, very nice. Definitely very pigmented. Blends really nice. Yeah, I think that's really nice actually. Nice kind of pinky nudie colour, to be honest. Yeah, I like the brush. I feel like the brush is really good at blending. Ooh, I really love this colour actually. So I've been soft play with my daughter today, and I've got lots of black under my eyes, but I have just kind of tried to redo my makeup a little bit, but it's been a busy day. You know what, I really love how this colour looks. What is that on my nose? Oh, I've just got makeup on my nose. I've just literally just put loads of eyeshadow on my nose. So we have a little bit of a fallout around this area here, but nothing too crazy. Brush it away. But to be honest, I didn't set under my eyes, so if you set under your eyes, that's not going to happen. So let's move on to darken the outer corners up. So I think I'm going to go in with this colour called Novo Riche. And I'm going to pop that on the outer corner. Ooh, you know what? For the price of this palette, I'm pretty impressed so far because the pigment is there. Like, it really is there. So I love it. So what I think I'm going to do for a change, because I don't really do this often, is I'm going to put that same darker colour and I'm going to put it in the inner corner, and I'm going to see if I can like make a bit of a halo eye. Don't know what colour to use yet, but let's just see. So just darken that up a bit. I really love this palette so far. It's pretty. It's definitely like Huda Beauty vibes. I really love it. Okay, so with this end here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab that concealer shade that I used earlier. And I'm going to put that like in the middle. And just try and like make a little area where I can put some glitter, you know. Why am I tapping concealer off? It's not going to work, Melissa. I really love this palette so far. It's got everything you need. I mean, to have this concealer base colour is just really, really good. So I'm just going to deepen... Snugs, my cat is just mental. Just going to deepen that colour up a bit. Okay, so for glitter, I don't really know what to use because I don't really get on with pressed glitters, to be honest. So I think I'm going to use this colour called High Society, which is this creamy gold kind of colour. And yeah, I'm going to put it right on top of that. Oh, this is nice. Okay, so I'm just going to build it up a little bit more. Yeah, and then I'm just going to darken that area up again. So I'm going to go back into that dark shade and I'm just going to deepen up the corners, the outer areas. And then I'm going to give my little brush a bit of a swell. I'm going to give my brush a little swell, and then I think I'm going to go in with like a nice pale shade, like a neutral shade. And I'm going to blend in a bit more because it's gone a bit crazy up here. So that's what happens whenever I use dark shades. Things always get a little bit out of hand. You know what? I really love this. I feel like this palette is absolutely adorable. This palette is a must in my collection because not only has it got really lovely matte shades, it's got some beautiful shimmer shades in there, and also it's got that lovely concealer shade, which is just so useful if you want to do like a halo eye like I've done, or a cut crease or anything. It's just, this is really cute. I'm definitely happy with this. I love it. So let's put on some mascara. I have curled my lashes because you know I love to curl my lashes. My back is absolutely throbbing, like throbbing. So what I love as well is that you get a mirror. I think it's always handy to have a mirror. So if you pop some false lashes with this look, honestly, this is just adorable. I love it. But I'm just going to do some little natural lashes, mascara. Oh, you guys, I love it. I really love this palette. So my review on this is, I think this palette is amazing. It's really affordable. It's presented beautifully. It's got a mirror. It's got a lovely brush. I felt like that brush was really, really easy to use for an everyday kind of look, or something a bit more glam like I've done. You've got that great concealer shade in there, which you can use as a base or concealer or whatever, cut crease kind of thing. You've got these gorgeous shimmers and you've got these beautiful mattes as well. So I'm super duper happy with this palette. Let me know what you guys think of this look. It would mean a lot to me. And also if you could subscribe. And I'll see you guys in another video for another review. Bye!